Hello, Assalamu alaikum, Namaste, Hola. So today we're gonna share this amazing recipe of Loitta Shutki Bhuna, also known as Bombay duck or strange fish. So basically, it's a dry fish that you can enjoy, and usually it's eaten as a spicy dish. So in the cooking oil, I'm gonna add garlic, red onion, eggplant, and mix. And then I'm gonna add salt, paprika, turmeric, and chili powder, and ginger powder, and mix everything well. Add the dry fish, and again mix, mix, mix. And green chilies. And after 5 to 6 minutes, as you can see, the dish turned out quite interesting and yummy, and it's ready for serve. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe so we can share more interesting and delicious recipes with you guys. And stay safe and take care. Bye.